Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sapna Salunke, Business Studies lecturer. In the last video, we had started with a new topic, that is distribution of profit among partners, and in that even we had solved a problem over it also, right? So today we'll solve the same topics, another one problem. So here is the question, you can see here, right? We'll read the question first, then we'll solve the problem. Raki and Shika are partners in a firm. So there are two partners, Raki and Shika, with capitals of rupees 2 lakh and rupees 3 lakh respectively. So their capital is 2 lakh and 3 lakh. Right? The profit of the firm for the year ended 2013-14 is rupees 23,200. Right? So in 2013 and 14 their profit is 23,200. This is a net profit. As per the partnership agreement, they share the profit in their capital ratio. So ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಒಳಗೆ profits ಅನ್ನು distribute ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ in their capital ratio, that is capital is 2 lakh and 3 lakh, right? According to this amount they will find the ratio, right? After allowing a salary of rupees 5,000 per month to Shika, right? So what's the salary here? 5,000 per month of Shika, and interest on partner's capital at the rate of 10%. So interest on capital is also 10% here. During the year, Raki withdrew rupees 7,000 and Shika rupees 10,000. What is this? Withdrew, right? Withdrew in the sense, and even for their personal use. So personal use, it indicates it's a drawings here. So in this profit and loss appropriation account, we won't take any drawings, but we'll take interest on drawings, but there is no question of interest on drawings here. You are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Yes, we need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account here. Yes, so already we have done a table here, profit and loss appropriation account, particulars amount, debit and credit. So in this profit and loss appropriation account, we'll start with the net profit, right? So we have a net profit. By net profit, yes, 23,200 is our net profit. Then after that we'll go according to the partnership agreement, right? So salary, yes, after allowing a salary of rupees 5,000 per month to Shika. So they are paying a salary to Shika. So salary will be this side, because debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So to Shika's salary per month is 5,000. So whole year, that is 12 months, it will be 5,000 into 12, that is 60,000. Right? So next they are telling about the interest on capital. Even interest on capital will be written on a debit side. So to interest on capital. So interest on capital of Raki and Shika. So first we'll solve Raki's interest on capital. Raki, she has bought a capital of rupees 2 lakh into, what's the percentage of interest on capital? It's 10%. So 10 divided by 100. So it will be 20,000. If you want to write, you can write outside also, outer column, or else you can take here another one column and you can write it down. Shika $3 lakh is a capital, 10 divided by 100, and it will be 30,000. Right? So next they are telling about, yes, there is no interest on drawings. Drawings amount has been given, but we in profit and loss appropriation account we won't take any drawings, but rather we will take interest on drawings, but even they have not given any interest on drawings. So this is a problem, and now we'll balance it, right? So first we'll go for a tally. in credit side it's 23,200. By looking this, debit side is having a more amount, that is 60, 20, 30, that is 1,10,000. So whichever is more we'll write in this table. It's 1,10,000, right? So this side the amount is less. We'll calculate how much the amount is less by minusing this 23,200. 1,10,000 minus 23,200, it will be 86,800, right? This is a balancing figure. Before that we'll write here, this 86,800 should be divided to Raki and Shika. This is a loss. If it comes here, the balancing figure, it's a profit, and if it comes here, it's a loss. Now the loss has to be bared by Raki and Shika. So for this we'll write by partners capital account loss transferred, right? So first Raki, how much loss she has to bear, so it's 86,800. Now we need a ratio, right? So in a question itself they had given the ratio should be shared according to capital ratio, right? So according to capital ratio means they have bought a capital. So Raki had bought 2 lakh. We'll solve here, right? Raki has bought 2 lakh and Shika's capital is 3 lakh. So according to their capital we can find a ratio. So here 5 zeros cancel, here 5 zeros cancel. The ratio will be 2:3, and according to this ratio we'll distribute a loss to both the partners. So 86,800 into 2 divided by total 5, it will be 34,720. Shika 86,800 into 3 by 5, it will be 52,080. So this is the amount, or else you can write it here, it has been completed 86,800, right? Loss has been transferred. So this is a